We heading on the German Autobahn. Wow. Bam, 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 bam. Race start for you. This or this? Wow. So hello guys and welcome back to another video. Welcoming you all on a beautiful, beautiful Sunday inside the GT53. There we go, that's what I want to see. And today you will be all joining me for a drive in this, okay? Less talking, let's just get right into it and start with the drive. I have the key here. The key is actually the exact same one as we always have with the GT4 door, also with the AMG badge in the back. Love it. We'll be putting inside here. And now let me start the ignition first. When we do that, we have the beautiful ambient lighting coming alive and the two displays in front of us. Let me put on the seat belts as well. We also have the head-up display, as you can see. Gorgeous carbon fiber interior. This is optional. Love it. Gives this car a very sporty touch. I do miss the carbon fiber steering wheel on this, but unfortunately we don't have the option on for this one. But yeah, let me press the start-stop button again. And then we have these buttons all coming alive. Yes, I'm very low on fuel. I need to get some gas, guys, but the prices are so high right now. I need someone to donate me a kidney, please, guys. No, I'm just joking. We will be starting it right away in comfort. Then we will be heading on the German Autobahn. We will be switching the car not into sport, plus we will be switching this into race, okay? Let's talk. Let's just get right into it and start with an emotion start. My foot is on the brake. Start stop button right over here. I will be holding one pedal and I will be giving a bit of a gas. And now listen to this. Let me also switch it to Sport Plus then. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Wow. Wow. Nice sound. Comfort, as I already told you guys. We will be starting to drive now. Also having the head-up display here is very, very cool. Let me give you a few highlights of this car. First of all, this here in specific is the facelifted version. You might have the question and asking, hey, what's the difference between this and the old GT4 door? Honestly, there are not a lot, but for me as a driver, there's a huge difference because in the inside we have a new steering wheel and the updated infotainment system, the MBUX, and the touchpad here, the latest touchpad plus. This display is touch now. You see here? It's easy. And also with the new steering wheel. So these are the main changes which came with the facelift, but all in all, yeah, it's mostly the same. Also looking from the exterior, something also very cool is now with the GT53, or as we also had with the E53 CLS53, we have the race mode, and that's what we will be switching in. And guys, you already hear it, we have the exhaust on, which is automatic on the race mode. We'll be starting it. Oh yes, 53 Symphony. It might be not as loud as a V8, but it's super fun, I'm telling you. 435 horsepower and the Autobahn. Let's go. Unfortunately, this part here is restricted, so I will be giving you a nice sound drive. We have an additional AMG exhaust here, which is optional from the factory, but I recommend you guys, if you go and get yourself a 53, always go for the optional exhaust. Okay, and now this is what I love to do, sound driving. You hear that? Bam, 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 bam. Also downshift. This is super fun, guys, I'm telling you. And also, while we're doing this and driving a bit faster now, the rear spoiler, which you can control on the steering wheel buttons, as you can see here, is lifted up automatically when driving in higher speeds. You can have it up like 50%, but if you hold this button as I'm doing it right now, I can get it up to 100%, and then you can see it more clearly, okay? All in all, guys, this here is the special edition, which is like an edition 1 for the facelift of the GT53. We also have a nice badge here. The entrance boards are different, but all in all, there are no main differences. But it's just cool to have this badge here. I just love it. Oh, komm, mach. Guys, unrestricted again. Time to push it for you. Race modes. 53 is ready, I'm telling you. Let's go. I'm sorry, the autobahn is crowded here. I'm honest with you guys, it's too crowded, as you can see in the front. 230, the max is good, guys. Yeah, how do you guys like it? Guys, it's time for a race start for you. Wow, okay, it's not as fast as the 63 version. I mean, in row 6-cylinder, 435 horsepower, plus the starter generator supporting the engine. Okay, guys, are you ready for another race start? Put it on the brake, okay. Ooh, this thing is quick. I didn't expect it. I mean, we have the all-wheel drive version with it. With the 43, we have a rear-wheel drive. Therefore, this is very quick. I didn't expect it, I'm honest. But also with a nice sound when shifting, guys. Also here, shifting down again for you. Yeah. You hear that? Also when I shift. I also feel like in Sport Plus the car is more louder. Yeah. How do you guys like the sound of the 53, and would you like to see a video of the GT53 SE performance? This will be next soon, so stay tuned for that. How do you like this beautiful ambient lighting in the interior? Before I finish off this video, I need your opinion regarding the ambient color, okay? Because I have two favorite colors. First of all, it's the blue as I have it set right now. But the second one is the pink. I mean, the pink is right here. There we go. So which one do you prefer? The blue one or the pink one? This or this? Wow. I always love it when I switch it to blue. I'm more of a fan of the blue, so let me know in the comment section below. Looking forward to see you all again next time and wish you an amazing day. I will be back.